So I did AR a couple of days ago in Jamaica. I did not tell Anthony Miller that I live in America or I moved to America or I prefer to live in America. I said I would not live, I don't want to live in Jamaica for the rest of my life because at the end of the day, I cannot pick up the phone and dial 911 or 119 and an ambulance come and get me. And I mentioned a few things about the economic being as low as it is for I mentioned the unemployment rate is high, and I mentioned that the minimum wage was too low. I said $5,000 in Jamaica for a day for me is not enough to cover all my expenses. I did not at any time say that I prefer to live in Jamaica or that I prefer to live in America or that I moved to America. I did not say that. And if I should see Anthony Miller right now, I would have said, Anthony, I did not say that I moved to America, or that it is any worse than anywhere else in the world. I was specifically talking about the issues in Jamaica, right? Which a lot of people shy away from as artists. They prefer to just stick to their music and stick to what they're doing, which is what I should have done instead of talk about things, because it look like when you talk about poor people or issues for poor people try to not understand and try for I don't know, flip it or put it a different way. At the end of the day, it is what it is. You cannot pick up the phone and dial 119. There is no ambulance, right? And if they are for private hospitals, right? So I don't know. I don't know why. And then Heavy D would have called and say, yo, the whole Jamaica look for you because you say you're done with Jamaica. How the hell can I be done with Jamaica? I live at Jamaica now. How could I be done with Jamaica? I don't understand. And why am I not supposed to talk about the issues in Jamaica? I said I wouldn't live there for the rest of my life. And guess what? If I had said to Anthony Miller, oh, the system is bad, and, regular things, guess what? You know what? People would have said, yeah, mommy, hear that already, and it would have just fly over and done, right? But now the conversation starts, and the only thing that people hear me saying is whatever he played, but he did not play the full story. And Anthony Miller himself can go and tell you exactly what I said. I did not say that I prefer to live in America. I didn't say that. Yeah, you're right about that, Carolita. You can't please everybody. But I'm saying at the end of the day, it was kind of the purpose of the media is to get attention for them thing, like that's why sometimes it better not for the interviews and not for, talk and just do the music, because at the end of the day, sometimes when you talk to some of these people, they flip it around and give you a bad look. You understand? And so let me clarify again. I did not in any way say that, oh, I prefer to live in America. First of all, them I kill black people every day flying. I see one woman on Facebook paint herself white and say she not left no nigga for nobody see. Seen? They're killing black people every day in America. Kill all of the black man, them and shoot them every day for nothing at all. And me, I gotta say me prefer to live in America. The food in America not even real. Half of the food where you eat, 90% of it is genetically modified, right? And them I gonna say, I prefer to live in America over Jamaica on a madman. Come on. Come on, Anthony, come on, man. Come on. Don't do that. Nobody do me that. Don't do me that for ratings. Don't do that. But could I never say that? At the end of the day, yeah, $5,000 in Jamaica is not enough for anybody. Right? There's not enough benefits. And the people them sit down and take everything that they get daily. Man, I kill man every day. Since I was coming to the airport, somebody shoot somebody on the way to Mobile International Airport. Right? The mayor for Mobile say him give up. At the end of the day, the people need resources. They need jobs. They need all kind of different things. And while a fleet of new cars can come in for everybody in a party or whatever, a fleet of ambulance can come in for the people the same way. The health care system needs to be revamped. Altogether need to be revamped, right? Them the other things that when me that talk to Anthony about, I wasn't talking about my preference for America. I don't even think it's a don't worry situation. At Jamaica I start, at Jamaica I live. Jamaica, the whole of my relatives them there. I don't understand why it would have flipped so, and I not appreciate it none at all, right? Because the message that I was trying to give was lost. And from now on, I'm not doing no TV interview about don't ask me about no politics, right? Don't ask me about what I feel about Jamaica system or any system in any country. I not answer uno. Because then on play what uno want to play and flip it on me, and that's not a good thing. That's not a good look. And then my fans them and my people them feel like say me turn my back on them. Could never. I never would. Never in a million years. I'ma see somebody go tweet on Facebook and say, oh, your reason unintelligent and one bag of things. I may say, yo, these people can't wait to find a reason for jump on you. Hello, whole heap of things they in Jamaica for to fight for you. Won't you get up and fight for them, they allow me. If you feel like I'm so unintelligent, send the book, come give me where you think I should read then. Because you don't know the full story, but you're quick to jump up and start comment and judge. You're out of order. You don't know what happened. Ask me what happened. Ask me what I said. Me not answer none about no system again. Me don't talk. I'm not even talking about none of that. I will keep my personal thoughts to myself. When me say 5,000, matter of fact, a mother getting child support probably in Jamaica, it probably is not enough to buy a tin of feed. Now that must say, and I was being honest. I was being honest. So at the end of the day, I don't want nobody flip my story on me and tell me, say, oh, Etana says she preferred to live in Jamaica. Etana done with live in America and she done with Jamaica and all. I never said that. I never said that. So, you know what? It's sad. It's really sad. It's really, really sad. And from now on, I will not speak politics and I will not talk about any injustice in any way, shape, or form. Never again. Never again. Don't want nobody ask me about no politics and no injustice in a no system ever. You understand? Because this flip on me wicked and I did not in any way, shape, or form say I move. The reason why I moved to America. Oh, someone moved to America. The reason why I prefer to live in. I did not move to or prefer to be in America. And I never even said where I live. If I move from anywhere, I never mentioned living anywhere. I just was talking about the injustice in Jamaica and this flip and say, I said I prefer to live in I said the reason why I wouldn't live in Jamaica for my whole life is because, right? I mean, I said it in that specific way to get the attention of the people so they understand that the system is not for them. It is not working. People say it's rough, it's hard. I need people the conversation to be started and for people to get up and do something. Instead of bringing a fleet of cars for the government, bringing a fleet of ambulance for the people. Instead of buy tanker for the soldier, them fix up the healthcare system so the people, don't, you know, all I'm saying is take care of the people, them, you know, help to govern the people, but don't just police them. That's all I'm saying. I never ever said at any point that I do not want to live or move from Jamaica. I never said nothing like that. Anthony, please, come on, please. I'm not ever. And you know what? Jamaica is no better than, no worse than anywhere else in the world. And like every part of the world have them problem. But I was specifically talking about Jamaica because I live there. Understand that. I'm not saying that it's worse than anywhere else in the world. Right? So, end of story. I'm done with politics. Done with people talking about this. I'm not talking about a system again. I'm not talking about no injustice. Hear what I'm doing. May I write my song them and do my album. You understand? I'm done with that injustice stuff.